Number 1. Offered in Des Moines, Iowa, this 1981 Pontiac Grand Prix is listed at just $2,000 and offers a budget-friendly entry into classic car ownership. Finished in blue inside and out, it presents a mostly solid body with only minor rust, making it a strong candidate for restoration. While it currently requires a motor to be installed, the brakes are in good condition, giving it a decent starting point mechanically. With its clean title, vintage styling, and sound structure, this Grand Prix provides an affordable foundation for a rewarding project. Whether restored to original form or built into a unique street machine, it's a versatile classic with plenty of potential. Number 2. Located in Oakland, Maryland, this 1968 Dodge Monaco two-door hardtop is a classic Mopar project priced at $2,500. With 76,000 miles, it comes equipped with a 383 V8 that does run, though the car needs a full restoration to be road-ready. The green exterior carries plenty of late 1960s style, making it an eye-catching platform once restored. Its big body design and strong V8 power plant highlight the Monaco's appeal for enthusiasts seeking both presence and performance. Offered with a valid title and open to possible trades, this Dodge represents an affordable entry into Mopar ownership and a solid starting point for a rewarding build. Number 3. Available in Rockville, Maryland, this 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham is offered at $3,500 and shows just over 42,000 miles. Powered by a smooth-running V8, it does exhibit a transmission issue above 40 miles per hour, but still presents strong potential as a classic cruiser. Recently repainted in pearl white, it includes the chrome and rubber trim pieces that will need to be reinstalled. Inside, the blue interior benefits from new carpet and an added Sony stereo with wiring for an upgraded system. A new radiator has also been installed, boosting reliability. With its commanding size, presence, and comfort, this Fleetwood is ideal for restoration or weekend driving. Number 4. This 1982 Lincoln Mark VII LSC, available in Norfolk, Virginia, is priced at $2,000 and shows 77,000 original miles. Under the hood, it runs a 302 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, though it currently experiences an idle issue. Recent updates include a new fuel tank, pump, injectors, filters, and ignition control module, indicating worthwhile investments have already been made. Finished in white with a blue interior, it carries the refined style of early 1980s luxury coupes. Complete and largely original, this Lincoln makes an excellent candidate for light restoration or weekend enjoyment, offering plenty of character at an accessible entry-level price point. Number 5. This 1964 Chevrolet Corvair convertible, offered in Port St. Lucie, Florida, is priced at $2,000 and presents as a solid project car. With just over 112,000 miles, its engine was overhauled in 2004 but has not been on the road since 2011. It turns over but does not currently start, likely due to fuel system issues. Equipped with a manual transmission, it will also need brake work, with all 4 cylinders requiring replacement. The red exterior shows rust on the quarter panels, but the newer convertible top is in good condition. Included are 4 sets of hubcaps, $400 in new brake parts, and full GM service manuals, ideal for restoration. Number 6. This 1982 Ford F-100 pickup, available in Vero Beach, Florida, is offered at $750 and delivers classic utility in turquoise. Under the hood sits a 302 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, providing dependable power. Showing 116,000 miles, it carries a clean title and straightforward mechanics. The truck has been sitting for about a year and requires a new water pump, along with some general attention to return to full strength, but it's described as a solid runner overall. With its vintage body lines and simple design, this F-100 is an excellent candidate for light restoration or a budget-friendly daily driver project. Number 7. This 1984 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royal Coupe, offered in Salisbury, North Carolina, is priced at just $2,000 and shows only 47,000 miles. Finished in silver with a gray interior, it's powered by a 307 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, giving it smooth drivability once sorted. The seller has already added key upgrades, including a brand new Holley carburetor, LED headlights, spark plugs, wires, water pump, and a flex fan. Although it currently cranks but does not start, the car remains very complete and presents strong project potential. With its clean title and two-owner history, this Oldsmobile provides a solid foundation for restoration and an affordable entry into 1980s classics. Number 8. Offered in Metairie, Louisiana, this 1977 Jaguar is priced at $1,700 and delivers timeless British elegance at a budget-friendly entry point. A one-owner example with a clean title, it shows 65,000 miles and pairs a white exterior with a striking red interior. The car has been off the road for some time and does not currently run, making it a true project for the next classic enthusiast. With its graceful body lines and unmistakable Jaguar presence, it carries strong potential for restoration. For just $1,700, this vintage European classic could be revived into a stylish road car once again. Number 9. Listed in Black Mountain, North Carolina, this 1968 Buick Riviera is offered at $2,500 and stands as a striking example of late 1960s American personal luxury. Showing just 15,532 miles on the odometer, it presents in fair condition and requires restoration to return to its former glory. Some work has already been started, and the sale includes parts to aid in completing the project. Known for its sweeping lines and unmistakable road presence, the Riviera remains one of Buick's most admired designs of the era. At this price, it offers an accessible entry into restoring a classic big-body coupe with timeless appeal. Number 10. Located in Jackson, Tennessee, this 1964 Chevrolet long-wheelbase pickup is offered at $3,000 and comes as a promising project with many included parts. It is powered by a strong 350 engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, though the transmission requires a rebuild and installation. Wiring will also need to be completed before the truck is road ready. Despite being a roller project, much of the hard work has already been started and the body remains solid, giving an excellent foundation for restoration. With its timeless styling and versatile setup, this classic Chevrolet pickup holds potential to become either a functional hauler or an eye-catching show truck. Number 11. This 1967 Ford Galaxy, available in Graham, Washington, is priced at just $1,000 and offered with a clean title. The car is sold primarily as a parts vehicle, as it does not include a motor or transmission. However, it features a solid body with strong floors, good glass, intact trim, and an interior that remains in excellent condition. Finished in white both inside and out, this Galaxy stands as an ideal donor car for a restoration project. Alternatively, it could serve as a foundation for revival if a proper drivetrain is installed. At this price, it offers excellent value for parts or as a low-cost starting point.